If you want to delete your Pokemon Go account permanently, I'll show you exactly how to do that. So the first step is to search for Pokemon Go on your phone, and then you want to open up Pokemon Go. Okay, once the game is actually playing, you'll see a little Pokeball right there. You want to tap on that, and right there at the top right hand corner it says settings. Okay, once you're on the main page of your settings, what you want to do is scroll down till you get to advanced settings. Tap onto advanced settings and then scroll down, and there you'll see delete account. If you tap on delete account, it says start account deletion process. So then you just click on to continue, and they're going to send you a verification email. So all you need to do is now go to your email. Okay, so you'll get an email that looks like this, and then you can see within the email there is a code. What you have to do is you have to copy that code and then just simply hit reply on the email and then paste in that code into the email. And then you need to hit the reply button or send button, and then once you send that, they will delete your Pokemon Go account permanently. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.